This is totally a death trap for civilians.
बाकी ये रोड ठीक इसमें कितना एक्सीडेंट होता है, कितना जान जाता है, कितना जन को क्या क्या होता है, उसमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं।
Good morning viewers, this is Tejas Joshi reporting from Mumbai. Today I have come to show you something that should be questioned by all citizens. I'll first show you some visuals and then I'll tell you what it is. Please take a look at these visuals. Please take a look what is the condition of the road here right now. See these potholes? These are not potholes actually, these are craters. Today I am standing in the middle of Sion flyover. This is a key connector from Eastern Express Highway which connects Sion to Eastern Express Highway. Thousands of commuters travel on this bridge every day. Thousands. To Dadar and back to Ghatkopar Thane direction. This is a two-lane bridge as you can see. Thousands of bike-borne commuters with cars, taxis travel on this bridge and this is the condition of this bridge right now. There are massive potholes on this bridge right from the start to end and these potholes after daily commute are turning into big craters right now and it is becoming a dangerous scenario for commuters. Many bikers have to balance their bikes over here to avoid falling off and as you can see this crater is right at the edge of the bridge. So if a biker loses his balance due to these craters and potholes, there is a risk of them falling off on the bridge or perhaps down there. So this is the condition. Look how the bikers are avoiding these potholes and this is the situation. From last 2 to 3 days, many commuters have been tweeting on social media, tagging BMC. Look at this, look at the condition. How will your bike survive these potholes? So thousands of commuters travel over here and many commuters have been tweeting and posting on social media that such is the condition of the Sion flyover. The BMC has been responding to their tweets, to their messages saying we will fix it. Today it is 19th June. These craters, these potholes have not been fixed yet. This is what the condition is from the last few days. Bikers, commuters, car owners have to balance their vehicles to avoid these craters. And there is a imminent danger of accident right here. Any untoward incident can happen anytime at this location. And the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde in the April month had promised that Mumbai will become pothole free by 31st May. Before monsoon, he had said that we will make Mumbai pothole free before 31st May. Today is 19th June. And this is the situation on the flyover. Look at these craters, look at these potholes. And this is the situation right from the start to end. The bridges, potholes have become a menace right now. Bikers will try to speak to some commuters right here and we'll ask them, भाई क्या कंडीशन है, क्या लगता है आपको
ये डेथ ट्रैप है हमारे लिए. This is totally a death trap for civilians. The worst bridge ever you will see in Indian history. You will see, come to this bridge, you will find out कि ये ब्रिज नहीं है, ये हमारे लिए सेटअप किया है ताकि गरीब लोग मर जाए क्योंकि हमारा टैक्स का पैसा कटता है. वो उनको ब्रिजेस बनाना है, कोस्टल रोड बनाना है जो अमीरों के लिए बनाना है. जो लोकल सिविलियंस है, जो बाइक चलाते हैं, कार चलाते हैं, टैक्सी यूज़ करते हैं, उनके लिए कुछ नहीं है खास करके बीजेपी सरकार में.
आप क्या अपील करोगे बीएमसी से, अथॉरिटीज से ये कंडीशन में?
हम चाहेंगे कि ये सारी चीज़ें विजिबल है आपके आंखों के सामने. ऐसा नहीं है कि छुपी हुई चीज़ है. ये लोकल रोड के ऊपर कितने खर्चे जाते हैं. ये एक बेसिक ब्रिज है जो कितने सालों से बनना बाकी है, नहीं बना है. मैं एग्जाम के लिए लेट हो रहा हूँ लेकिन मेरे को लगता है ये बातों पे बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
थैंक यू. So this was a daily commuter. He is getting delayed for his exam due to the traffic on this bridge and due to these potholes. We'll try to see if some commuters again speak to us. But see, you can see the situation. The biker over here has to take so much efforts and there is imminent risk of any untoward incident happening over here. क्या लगता है भैया ये कंडीशन रोड का देख के?
बहुत खराब है भैया. टैक्स लेती है गवर्नमेंट मगर रोड के बारे में बहुत खराब है. अक्सर करके बहुत बारिश के दिनों में एक्सीडेंट बहुत होता है. 2 व्हीलर 4 व्हीलर कोई भी गाड़ी ले.
क्या लगता है, आप डेली ट्रैवल करते हो? ये
डेली ट्रैवल करता है. जो भी गवर्नमेंट का जो सुविधा है ना, इतना मजा आ रहा है ना हम लोग को चलाने के लिए. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. मतलब टैक्स लेता है अपना हवलदार लोग, बाकी दूसरे चीज़ में फाइन मारने के लिए मजा आता है. बाकी ये रोड ठीक इसमें कितना एक्सीडेंट होता है, कितना जान जाता है, कितना जन को क्या क्या होता है, उसमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं. बाकी दूसरा आम आदमी पब्लिक कुछ गलती कर दे, टैक्स मारा, हेलमेट नहीं है ना, उसमें सब सुविधा है. रोड बनाता भी ऐसी, एक हफ्ते में वापस वही हालत होने वाला है। मतलब गवर्नमेंट का बनाने का क्या ये मतलब क्या है ये?
क्या अपील करोगे आप बीएमसी से?
बीएमसी जी यही अपील करेगा जल्दी से जल्दी अपना जो भी रोड का जो बंदोबस्त खड्डे विड्डे का जो भी है वो क्लियर करके पैक करो। इसकी वजह से बहुत सारा एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है, मतलब गाड़ी का इशू हो रहा है, बहुत जन को तकलीफ हो रहा है, मतलब इंसान का जान का खतरा हो रहा है इससे। आदमी अंधेरे में आता है तो कुछ दिखता नहीं, पानी भरता है तो अंदर छोड़ता है तो गिर जाता है, एक की वजह से 10 लोग गिरता है।
So this is how it is. You can take a look at this crater and guess for yourself how would you ride through it. In the evening, in the peak hour traffic, bikers usually ride from this lane. You can see the bikers coming from this lane. How come the bikers are gonna avoid this crater and save their lives? Because it is becoming very dangerous now. All commuters have been complaining about it. So that's all we have to say. We'll appeal to the BMC and to all the authorities that fix this problem as soon as possible because it is very dangerous and it can lead to any untoward incident. So that's our appeal. This was Tejas Joshi with cameraman Roshan Ghadge for Lokmat Times.